To set up WorldPay SOAP API, start by registering for a WorldPay account and obtaining your unique installation ID and MD5 secret. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose the programming language you will use to integrate the WorldPay SOAP API into your application. WorldPay provides code examples in several languages, including Java, PHP, and C#. Download the WorldPay SOAP API documentation and WSDL file, which contains the definitions for the available API methods and data types. Use this information to generate the SOAP client code in your chosen programming language. Create a test environment to test your API integration before going live. WorldPay provides a test installation ID and MD5 secret for this purpose. Implement the payment processing workflow by calling the relevant API methods, such as payment service and order service. The payment service method is used to process payments, while the order service method is used to manage orders. Handle the API responses and errors by checking the response codes and messages. WorldPay provides a list of possible response codes and their meanings in the API documentation. Finally, go live with your integration by replacing the test installation ID and MD5 secret with your live credentials. Make sure to test your integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Best practices to keep in mind when setting up WorldPay SOAP API include using secure communication protocols, such as HTTPS, and keeping your API credentials secure. Regularly review your API logs to detect and prevent any potential security threats. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up WorldPay SOAP API and start processing payments securely and efficiently.